To complete a new Discord Perplexity quest, first of all, you will need to enter your quests in Discord and then accept that quest right here. It will give you a 5000 Discord orbs, so I'm gonna accept that quest, and then next step is to download a AI browser called Comet. So what you need to do is open your browser and look for this website. It's perplexity.ai/Comet. If you have that website open, download the Comet right here and then install it. I've made an entire process on how to install it. If you're interested, you can watch this video on my channel. Now when you have that app ready, you will need to open it. And after opening it, just use it for some time after you've set up everything in the Comet browser, and then you'll be able to claim that 5000 orbs. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.